mas ngayong kalabas na ako, saka ko lang kayo isasama. So, I was just messaged today na kailangan kong pumunta sa facial ko kasi mag-expire na yung 1-year package ko. So, kung magpa-package kasi, it doesn't matter how many times you have used them as long as yung validity lang is 1 year. So, you really have to make use of them or else lugi ka. So, sabi ng derma ko, I really have to go kasi parang 1 month and a half or almost 2 months na akong hindi nakapag-facial. So, pupunta tayo doon, sasama ko kayo, magsa-subway lang tayo, magka-car tayo to the subway kasi mas mabilis yung subway. Kasi yung subway parang express siya, ang layo nun. If magka-car ako, maybe it'll take me 14 minutes. If magsa-subway ako, it'll take me around 20 minutes lang siguro. Oo, 20 minutes lang or 25 minutes. So, magsasubway lang tayo para hindi tayo malate. But, first of all, let's have coffee. And yeah, I'll take you there. Nga pala, naghalungkat ako ng maleta kanina. Ayan siya. Nabili ko rin to sa Thailand eh. Or, parang freebie to. Daily coffee ng hotel ko. Ganito yung binibigay nila. Ang sarap nito. Buti dinala ko yung iba. Kasi parang 2 coffee everyday kasi siya. Tapos ako na mag-isa. Kaya, sarap nito. Ang sarap nito. Ito yung iinumin natin. At saka itong kape na to, nagfo-foam siya. Yun yung gusto ko sa kanya. Grabe, sobrang saludo ako sa lahat ng mga nagde-daily vlogs dyan. Kasi mahirap pala talaga siya. Kailangan sanayin mo yung sarili mo na at the beginning of the day, you're already, recording because you're already committed to vlog your day. Minsan kasi hindi pa nagsisink in sa utak ko na nagde-daily vlog mo. So, grabe. Bukas may appointment ako niyan eh. Ayan. So, 3 yung nawala dito. 3. Ito na lang 2 na iwan. Tapos 2 yung nawala dito. 3 yung naiwan. Nag-iinit lang ako ng lunch ko. Yung adobo kagabi, yun lang din yung kakainin ko. Tapos itong kape. And then, gora na tayo. Kasi kailangan kong makabalik dito ng mga around 4:30 before Dave comes home. But I need to buy some gifts for my 4 parties this week is starting Thursday. Starting Friday. Yes. There are 2 parties on Friday. And there are 2 parties on Saturday. So, ang hirap pala kasi talagang mag-vlog. Kasi, alam mo yan, kailangan mong i-record lahat. Kasi, nasanay lang akong mag-record. Alam mo yung nakaset na yung mind mo. Like for me, nakaset yung mind ko na mag-record ng vlog kapag may travel kami. Yun talaga, mahilig ako mag-record talaga kapag nagta-travel. Pero pag nandito lang kami, Diyos ko, yung cellphone ko parang mawala-wala pa to kasi cellphone lang yung gamit ko. Kasi nasa computer nga ako lagi. We have a little bit of rice left over and I just got 2 wings for my lunch. Konti lang. Tara na, andyan na yung car ko. Merry Christmas and a package. Of course, kay Dave yun. Alam naman akin, wala naman akong expected na parcel today. Nag-message na yung DD driver ko. DD driver is parang Uber driver ha. Not parang, it's Uber driver. Kasi yung Uber dito, it's called DD. So yan din yung advice sa inyo kapag pupunta kayo dito sa China, kailangan may DD app kayo. Kaso kasi, yung DD kasi nasa Alipay na. So kung may Alipay kayo, kagaya nga sinabi ko kahapon, kung may Alipay kayo, parang solved na kayo sa lahat-lahat kasi pwede na kayo magbayad ng pang-groceries nyo doon, yung subway ticket nyo, yung basta halos lahat na may nihaw. Book kayo ng ng hotel, book kayo ng flight there, lahat andun na talaga lahat-lahat. So one stop app talaga yung DD. Ay DD? Hindi DD, ano ba yan? Alipay. 524 yung car natin, eto na ata. Yan, 524. Ito na. Ni hao. Ayan, friends. Pwede. Hindi na ako naglagay ng kung ano-ano sa face ko. Ano na lang yan, yung spray serum ng Dalpa. Yun na lang. Baka hindi na rin kami kumain sa bahay. Kasi baka matagal lang. Wala na kasi talaga akong oras. Diba? Kasi kahapon hindi rin ako lumabas. Nung isang araw, hindi rin ako lumabas dahil sa migraine ko. So ngayon, tambak yung mga gagawin ko. Kailangan ko bumili ng mga regalo. Kailangan ko pang, iniisip ko pa kung bibili na lang ako ng dessert or gagawa ako ng flan. Kasi kung gagawa ako ng flan for the party, na ireregalo namin, dadalhin namin doon, kailangan masarap siya. So kailangan kong i-try. Kailangan kong i-try today or bukas. Bukas na lang siguro talaga. Kailangan ko siyang i-try i-bake. Kasi nakakatakot, mamimigay ka tapos hindi masarap, diba? Dito na tayo. Yun yung bahay namin. Doon. Dito ginanap yung World Games eh. World Games dyan ginanap. Tapos ito yung expo. Dyan lagi nag-anime con. Anime con dyan lagi. Malaki talaga tong station na to kasi expo to dito, di ba? Expo tong stop na to, Western International Expo. So maraming mga businesses, maraming mga turista pumupunta dito. Kaya sobrang laki. So there are how many subway lines na andito? 18, 6, tapos 1. 1 yung nandun. Yes, may subway line 1 doon. Dito, it's subway line 18 and 6. Line 18 yung sasakyan natin kasi yan yung express train. Dumediretso yan sa airport. So mabilis yung takbo niyan. Line 18! Tara, baba tayo. Late na ako. Exit B. Sa laki-laki ng mga dito, ng mga stations, ang layo ng lalakarin mo talaga. Ganyan yung problema sa mga stations dito, ang lalaki. Kaya wala kang choice, maglalakad ka talaga. Dito na tayo. Yan dyan. Nandyan yung dorm ako. Alam niyo ano yung nakakainis sa winter? Kasi kating-kati ako sa likod ko, hindi ko mahamot kasi sobrang kapal ng damit ko. Nakakainis ang kati-kati. Dito na tayo. Okay, we're done. So, itong si prinsesa nyo, susunduin ng asawa. I can't believe it. Susunduin niya ako. Kahit na it'll take him 40 minutes to drive here. Because we're gonna eat dinner together and I'll still have to find some gifts for the Christmas party. Tapos yung owner ng shop here, nag-suggest siya ng magandang shop dito na pwedeng pang regalo, like home fragrances at saka mga candles. So I think I will have to just go there. It's only 400 meters away from here. So by the time I finish buying those gifts, dadating si Dave dito at saka kakain na kami. What's that? A mall? Christmas na Christmas dun banda oh. May shop pa si Vera Wang oh. Parang outdoor mall din siya. Oh! Super nice! Look at that! Outdoor mall! Andito yung shop eh. Na pagbibilhan natin ng gifts. Ito nagagawa talaga kapag ka naglalakad ka lang kasi you're able to explore more. Look at this place. It's just right next to the Global Center. Ayun o, kung makikita nyo sa likod ko, ayun o, yung very corner ng Global Center na building. Pero, andito yung shop. Sabi na nga ba, ano siya eh, luxury shop siya. Outdoor. Oh, ang ganda ng place. Ayan o. Ang ganda. Super. Meron ngang pababa. Ayan o. Ganda. Ganda naman. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Nagkalat yung mga luxury shopping malls dito. Oh, ganda. Obviously, bagong ano siya, bagong tayo siya. Another outdoor mall. Ang ganda, mga B. Ang ganda talaga, ang ganda. Parang ganito yung tinatayo sa South bandang amin. Super, it's so beautiful. It's right next to Global Center and SKP Mall. And SKP Mall is like top tier luxury shopping mall. Grabe. Oh my gosh, ang ganda, sobra. Alamig alamig. Ganito mangyayari pag outdoor mall, walang pagsisilungan unless kung pupunta ka sa loob ng mga shops. Dito ko aantayin si Dave. Nandito ako sa ano lang nila, parang leisure area nila, may mga benches sa gitna. Tapos di nakapalibot mga shops na. Ang ganda. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, ang ganda. Parang sunken mall din siya. Merong mga shops sa baba. Oh, may dancing fountain sila doon, no? And you can have your pets here as well. Ganda naman ito. Hindi ko pa siya nililibot talaga kasi I'm waiting for Dave. Ang ganda. Dave is almost here. Nasa baba na daw siya nagpa-parking. Ganda! Claus is coming to town. To your king. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. Yay! That's the shop. I'm gonna buy gifts from that shop. Yay! Hello, baby. Hello, thank you for coming. This place is so nice, isn't it? It's very new. Look,
It's this summer.
I actually feel like they're building the same thing. At the south. That's the second-hand shop, babe. It's huge. Andito na tayo. Ganda nito, oh. It's 129. Dito ako bibili ng panregalo ko. Ganda. Ayun, oh. They have Christmas candles. I like this Christmas candle. Nice signature scent. Home scent. Mga perfumes din sila. Mga perfumes. Natin. Mga local brands. Ganda. Ganda ng ano nyo. Ayoko na walang amoy. Ayoko nito kasi mafanghi. Mafanghi yan, B. Pero amoyin natin. Walang amoy. And then, you can mix all your scent there, babe. Para sa diffuser to. Ito, afternoon tea. Ang bango, grabe. Ang bango. Ang babang nila. Alam mo yung pang-massage? Ang babang sobra. Ayan na siya. Hi, darling. You're sorted with your all gifts? Your gifts? Yeah.
No, it's something for Brian's kids, you know, Tanya's kids.
Oh, yeah.
I'll get them some
I think...
chocolates or something.
还有这个？啊，有啦。啊，新的。OK OK。好啦。Yeah, Hong Kong place for tonight. 你好，两位。好。Maganda dito kasi meron pa rin silang at least menu. Ganyan lang. Yung mga nagaganyan lang. Napo-fold. Tapos pag techie ka, may ano, ganito. like Dave, he's not ordering from the app. Wanda? How? How?
这边饮料啊，进去饮料，
好，
香槟。
谢谢。What? You ordered a cold drink and it's very cold. Cheers. Oh, dumplings with. What else did you order? Wonton.
More dumplings.
Is that the one that has noodles inside?
Yeah, it's good.
Yummers.
Another one more thing.
Is this dessert? What is this? Ganda naman dito. Ah, Starbucks is there. We're going there. We're going to Starbucks. Yan. Ganda naman. Wow, a lonely Christmas tree. Huh? We can take away.
What do you want to drink? Hot chocolate.
Yeah, hot chocolate.
Tall, brandy.
Middle one.
Okay.
Or at Starbucks Reserve. Pero ang liit niya. Parang Starbucks go lang, to go. Ang liit-liit.
Yeah, I already asked for the medium one. Get it right, it's called Grande. Ariana Grande.
Thank you, babe. Thank you. Oh my God! Look at this! Winter collection! It's super nice. Oh, that one is super nice.
Actually, a cup of tea in there.
How much?
250.
250 for that.
Get time, I love.
What? I get them on top.
Get a picture of it.
And then,
How do you edit time, I love.
and then get a picture of it and then try searching it on Taobao. Yeah, like now.
150 on time.
Really? Does it have Starbucks in it?
There you go. 150 on time.
God, it's 100 kwai. Uh-huh.
Yeah, 150.
Just buy it from Taobao. Cheers, thank you, babe. Hey, it's a dog park. Ah! Allah! Ah! Ah! Diba? In the middle of the city. Ganda. Ito pala yung famous clock building na nakikita namin dito banda. Yan pala yan siya. Oh. Sobrang ganda talaga. Oh. Ganda! Tapos dito, open air lang with your pets. Ang lamig nga lang. Christmas na Christmas, pero hindi eh. Laging may palights talaga dito sa China.
Like, oi, my tea, oh, I'm in the farm, right? I'm from Ireland now, because I'll be talking like this now. And I'm here for the snacks, and for my ladies' dinner. Now remember, no sharing snacks.
I can still understand you, babe.
Yeah, I know, it's okay. It's understandable, right?
Let me tell ya. Yeah, it's a new one. And you were wondering, yeah.
And it was all scattered.
He drank my chocolate drink.
That's mine! With that exact tone. It's not like he said, that's mine. No, that's mine! So
How do you say it?
That's mine!
How again?
That's mine! Something in my ear once. My ear
Hold
once
on,
say that. One of the takes the scissors, you know, from the other one, you know, the colouring pencil. That's mine!
I saw this outside, babe, when I left home. And then I said, that's not mine, that's Dave's. And then now Dave told me that it's actually mine. Now feeling it, it's actually the ribbons for the Christmas tree. Oh my god! I think we're gonna finish our Christmas tree tonight. Brilliant! It's the ribbons. It's the ribbons. Ribbons. Yay! Ang bilis ah. That's it. The golden ones and then the red ones. Good luck. How do you wrap your gifts?
Listen. There are some things in life that I'm extremely good at. Okay?
Like
And there are
what?
some things in life that I'm extremely crap at.
Ah.
Wrapping gifts is one of them. Okay? It's not something that I take pride in.
It's supposed to
not
be
something-
damaged anyway. It's supposed to be just like ripped off anyway, right?
It's not something that, like, you know, I've ever been like, someone's made fun of my rapping skills and I've been offended. I've been, oh no, look at my rapping.
What is all that matters, babe?
Is that it's covered and the person can't see what it is inside.
Uh-huh.
That's all that
What's all that matters is the gift inside.
Exactly, right?
That's it. You can't be in the Miss Universe or Mr. Universe. Your answer is crap.
You know what that means. Alright.
The question and answer for Miss Universe.
A question and answer from this universe.
Uh-huh. If you were asked like what's all that matters when you give a gift?
Ah, I see. Okay, what do you mean now? It's that the person can't see the gift inside.
Oh, that's nothing. I said that answer is crap because the answer should be the best answer should be the wrapping paper shouldn't matter because it's the gift itself that matters.
That is quite very Miss Universe to say.
Exactly. So you're not gonna be in the top 10.
No, I won't. Is it? I don't really care about that though. Is it not really about like world peace and stuff? You know?
Babe, hypothetically, I'm just asking you questions. But even that simple question, you cannot answer like well.
All right. I'm just trying to wrap this up.
Oh my god, good luck.
It's fine.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Don't worry about it. All right. You worry too much. Okay?
Okay, I'll join you. I have to also wrap my. Do you think I have to wrap those ones that I bought?
Yeah. I don't know.
I don't think so.
Gift bag or something.
I don't think so. It's already in a bag.
Ah, you're fine.
Ah, you're fine.